Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Sinar Bulan Purnama, with stamp number is 223501013. Here I will explain the lesson material in the pronunciation practice course, where the lecture is Mr. Fadli SPD MPD. Here are some examples with rules where it is possible to give them. The first letter A. A is usually silent in equally at the end of the word. For example, such as the first basically, radically, and physically. The next letter B. B is silent in the combination MB at the end of the word. For example, such as claim becomes climb, num becomes num, and tum becomes tem. The next letter C. C is silent in the combination SG before the letters I, E, and Y at the beginning of a word. For example, such as scan becomes seen, scan becomes sense, and scissors becomes scissors. The next C is usually silent in combination in the middle of a word. For example, such as the scan becomes descent, discipline becomes discipline, and fascinate becomes fascinate. The next C is also silent in scale at the end of a word. For example, such as muscle becomes muscle and corpuscle becomes corpuscle. The next D. D is usually silent in this word. For example, such as handsome, kindness, and Wednesday becomes Wednesday. The next E. E is usually silent at the end of a word, but not for example in maybe. For example, such as blue, true, and believe. E can also be silent in the middle of some word. For example, such as every becomes every, evening becomes evening, and next G is silent in GN at the beginning of a word. For example, such as genau becomes now, genas becomes nas, and genat becomes net. G can also be silent in GN at the end of a word. For example, such as shake becomes sign, decide becomes design, recite becomes resign. G also silent in combination GM the end of a word. For example, such as diaphragm, such becomes diaphragm. GH, both G and H are usually silent in combination GN in the middle of a word. For example, such as night becomes night, egg becomes eight. GH can also be silent in combination GH at the end of a word. For example, such as hike, psych, and true. H is silent in RH, the beginning of a word. For example, such as rhyme becomes rhyme, rheumatism becomes rheumatism, rhetoric becomes rhetoric. Next, H is also silent in the GH at the beginning BF a word. Example, such as ghost and get to. H is silent in the word to. For example, Our becomes our, school becomes school, honest becomes honest. The next key. K is silent in kn at the beginning of a word. For example, knee becomes knee, know becomes know, and knowledge becomes knowledge. The next letters I is usually silent in the combination al, all, and at the end of a word. I in combination of at the end of a word. For example, calf becomes calf, half becomes half, behalf becomes behalf. I in combination all at the end of a word. For example, such as walk becomes walk, talk becomes talk. I in combination all at the end of a word. For example, yolk becomes yolk, folk becomes folk. I in combination all at the end of a word. For example, such as salt becomes salt, cold becomes cold. I in combination at the end of a word. For example, such as calm becomes calm, palm becomes palm, and salmon becomes salmon. The next letters N. N is silent in combination and at the end of a word. For example, such as column becomes column, dam becomes dam, and solemn becomes solemn. The next letter P. P is silent in the combination PS at the beginning of a word. For example, such as physic becomes psychic, and psyche becomes psyche, and psalms becomes sam. The next P. P is also silent in PN at the beginning of a word. For example, such as pneumatic becomes pneumatic, or pneumonia becomes pneumonia. P is silent in the word to. For example, cough becomes cough, corpse becomes corpse. The next letter is S. S is silent in the word below. For example, island, isle, and debris. The next letter T. T is silent in words ending in "stan". For example, the first listen becomes listen, glisten becomes glisten, moisten becomes mason, hasten becomes hasten, and fasten becomes fasten. T is silent in words ending "stle", such as castle becomes castle, whistle becomes whistle, wrestle becomes press, and thistle becomes thistle. T is also silent in these words below. For example, such as the first often becomes often, soften becomes soften, and Christmas becomes Christmas. The next letters W. W is silent in WR at the beginning of a word. For example, such as right becomes right, rag becomes rag, and wrong becomes wrong. That's it all from me. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.